Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, news out of Montego Bay, St. James, where a heated court battle is developing. The issue stems from the murder case of 9-year-old Gabriel King.
Now, the police have been trying to access the phone of the mother of the deceased boy. Her lawyers made their case today. Our reporter, Dwayne Anderson, has been following the court proceedings and now joins us live from Montego Bay, St. James. Dwayne?
Thank you, Janella. So it's been quite a busy day for me here in St. James. In fact, I'm in deep rural St. James on a farm, but I'll tell you all about that farming story tomorrow. Now, earlier today, about that court matter involving little Gabriel King. The court matter did not make much progress when it was mentioned today, and it was adjourned until Friday. Monday's court sitting was attended by an attorney representing the JCF and the lawyer for Gabriel King's mother, Jamaica Cameron. The legal teams are at odds over the access to the dead child's mother's phone. In September, the police sought the court's help to get access to the phone. But shortly after, the lawyer for the child's mother sought an injunction to block the police searching his client's phone. So the judge on Monday ordered that the lawyers meet to come to an agreement to decide on the terms of what the police can search in the mother's cell phone. The judge wants the issue sorted in time for Friday's resumption. The lawyer representing the child's mother argued that his client's rights were being threatened by the police detectives who are trying to gain access to her phone. Detectives, however, believe material may be contained in the gadget that could help the investigation. The police reason that some technological material are time-sensitive, and therefore it is important they retrieve whatever evidence they can as soon as possible from the phone. The cell phone has been in the custody of the police since January when the murder took place. Just last week, the police indicated they were having a tough time in their efforts to solve the murder of the boy. It is reported that in January, the boy and his mother were traveling in a car when the mother was assaulted by an attacker and hauled from the vehicle. The attacker then drove away the Audi motor car with the child inside, and a short time later, the child was found dead with his throat slashed. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.